Hi, I'm Olivia McLean with the McLean team at Carlton Rice International. If you're looking to sell your home, you have to be careful. While you may want to take everything you own to your new crib, sometimes you can't. If you take something you haven't negotiated to keep, you could tank the sale or even face a lawsuit. Here are 4 things you can't take with you when you sell your home. Number 1, plants and shrubs. Don't plan on digging up your favorite plant and taking it with you. Turns out it's part of the property. Unless the listing mentions that you plan to take greenery from your yard, you can't remove any landscaping. And number 2, anything anchored to the ground. Buyers and sellers often have misunderstandings about who gets to keep backyard items like basketball hoops and swing sets. Rule of thumb, if it's anchored in the ground, it stays. And number 3, lighting fixtures. If you're attached to your chandeliers or expensive lighting, you can't just leave them out of your listing. Excluded items often become sticking points between buyers and sellers. So take out your lights before you list your house and replace them with something else. And number 4, window treatments. Yes, I know, you spend a fortune on the custom blinds in your living room, but technically you're supposed to leave them hanging. Rods and blinds are considered part of the house because they're attached to the window.